In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gemini AI on Gmail to speed up your work. We'll guide you through the simple steps to make the most out of this powerful tool right from your desktop. Whether you're drafting emails, summarizing threads, or simply looking to optimize your time, learning to harness Gemini AI can make your daily email tasks much smoother and more efficient. So let's dive in and see how you can get this up and running. First things first, you need to open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Go ahead, log in with your usual credentials, and you'll be set to start. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Gmail window. Near your profile icon, you're going to spot a star or an Ask Gemini button. It's hard to miss, but if you're having difficulty, it's usually nestled right near the other icons. A quick click on this button will reveal the Gemini side panel. This panel is your gateway to the enhanced functionalities that Gemini provides. With the side panel open, you'll notice a list of suggested prompts. These are essentially quick actions that Gemini can perform for you, like summarizing email threads or drafting replies. However, the beauty of Gemini lies in its flexibility. Besides the suggested prompts, you have the option to type in your own queries or tasks. Let's say you want to summarize a lengthy email thread. Simply type that into the prompt box and let Gemini do its magic. Similarly, if you're looking to draft a reply, just specify your request and the AI is ready to assist. Once you've given your command, Gemini will process it and respond within the side panel itself. The AI's response is prompt and displayed right next to your Gmail interface, allowing you to easily copy the generated text. Now, if you're satisfied with what Gemini has crafted, you have two options. Either directly copy the text to your clipboard or go a step further by inserting it directly into your email draft. It's a seamless process designed to enhance your productivity and ensure that you spend less time on mundane tasks and more on what truly matters. And there you have it. You've just learned how to activate Gemini AI on Gmail and streamline your workflow. With these steps, you're not only optimizing your time,